looking to start a career in data science? Then this is for you. You must have heard that there is a growing demand for data scientists in the tech industry. This demand is because companies now rely more on data to make the best decisions. A research conducted by the Bureau of Labor Statistics estimates that there will be a 36% job growth rate in data science over the next decade. And this demand is expected to surge even higher. This means an abundance in job opportunities and increased earnings. If you're looking to start a career in data science, you are right on track. But how do you start? Don't worry, Analytics has got you covered with a full-stack data science program. With this course, you have the opportunity to work with leading companies around the globe and earn as high as you desire. Our 4-month learning program is packed with live classes, capstone projects, and a 1-month virtual internship for you. From introductory sessions to advanced predictive analysis, SQL mastery, and a 1-month internship, we prepare you not just for high-paying jobs, but for career success that you deserve. You also get personalized CV reviews, LinkedIn and Upwork optimization, and also interview preparation to ensure you stand out in the competitive job market. You also get lifetime access to our expert support and industry-relevant certification. Register right now to enjoy a 30% discount. Call any of the numbers displayed to get started immediately. Join the data revolution with Analytics today.